Hello everybody. So today I would like to show you a simple way to use JetPack for the permissions. Now it's very simple. So let's have a look on this simple application. I placed the implementation of these two library, activity and fragment, inside Gradle. Okay. So let's place on the, for example, on the Android manifest, the permission for read external write and camera. That is just an example. And now you will see that it is very simple with JetPack. So first of all, let's create a string with multiple value, also value values of permissions, for example, permissions. Okay. So inside this, let's put the different. So be careful, manifest, use this one and not the other one. So Android, of course. So permission, so read external, manifest dot permission dot write external, and for the last one, so permission dot camera. That's it. Now let's create the method, use it. So let's create the simple method, private final activity result launcher is a string was right like this. So multiple permission registration why not equal register activity result. So new activity result contract request multiple permissions. Okay. And new activity callback like this. Let's place a semicolon here, right? So if let's put in information for if result dot contain key, so manifest dot permission dot external storage. Okay, right? So login. So permissions for, let's copy and paste. Okay. So let's copy, oops, and paste twice. Okay, so do the same. Let's copy and paste. And for the camera too, this it's only for showing the information, right? So it's very simple. Now we only had two multiple registrations, so dot launch, and put inside, of course, the values of permission, right? So let's have a look on the request permission. Just one thing, if you go back to the activity result contracts for the different methods, you can have different information on it. And as you can see inside, we've got information for the grant result, for the permission, and then the activity result, okay, etc. So have a look on it. And this method is not necessary, but just for example. So if grant result, sorry, inside, of course. So if print result dot length more than 4 and print results array, of course, equal package manager dot permission granted. So this, let's do action, right, else explain, for example, to the user about the permissions needed. This, let's create of method A, and for the other one, oops, right. So let's put inside log A, show the information. So let's put explain. So let's place this above this. Yes. So log A2 and permissions are granted. So permissions granted, and in the other one, let's copy and paste. So fade, of course, and after, let's call again this method. So multiple permission registration dot launch and value of permission. So now let's run the application. So let's have a look on the logcat. So let's place permissions, for example, and copy this to have a look. So now, as you can see, you ask me for the permission. So when we ask for the permission, so as you can see, the third 1, 2, and 3 permission asked is okay for permission read external and write external and camera. And as you can see, do action permission granted. That's it. So now let's do the same with permission awarded. So register. So let's delete this. Let's delete the other one. Okay, now problem there. What's happening? Okay, so no problem. Right. So now let's run again. Now I don't want. Okay, as you can see, explain permission failed and permission failed, and rerun the multiple registration launch, and now accept and permission granted. So as you can see, now it's very simple to use JetPack for the permissions. Okay, so see you soon and bye bye.